In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear sway bar link on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted directly to your frame and your sway bar in the rear. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing that we want to do is make our way to where the sway bar link connects to the sway bar. That castle nut has one of these cotter pins holding it in place. We'll remove the cotter pin and then the nut. Sometimes these will be stuck in the stud. If that's the case, we'll just go ahead and cut it right off. We'll use an 18mm to remove this mounting nut. Use a hammer to give this a couple loving bonks to try to break it free. Once you have that broken free, let's follow the sway bar link up to where it connects onto the frame bracket. To remove this, we'll use two 18mm. Take hold of the sway bar link and remove it from the vehicle. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new rear sway bar link. We'll take this and put it in place. Start the upper mounting bolt through. You'll find with your kit, it came with a brand new locking nut. Before we tighten this, let's make our way down to the bottom. We'll get this stud aligned with the sway bar and then start on that mounting nut as well. Now we can continue on with bottoming these out. Once we have each of them bottomed out, we will torque them. The top will be 40, the bottom will be 27 foot-pounds. Now the next thing we will want to do for the lower mounting nut, which is a castle nut, would be to align the little slot on the nut with the hole that goes through the stud of the sway bar link. If it's not aligned, continue tightening until the very next slot does, and then put in your locking cotter pin. Once you have that slid through, make sure you peen it over so there's no way this nut can loosen up on you while you're driving down the road. Okay friends, we showed you how to install one side of your rear sway bar link. The process will be the exact same thing for either side of the vehicle. Aside from that, take your vehicle for a road test, make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.